All right, so now we need to talk about while loops. So we're going to put this all together. So we now know how to assign, we know how to do math operations. We begin to, we need to look at what while loop does. So what a while loop does is it's our first little blend of a loop with a condition. So this is our first step into checking if something is happening, then do something until that situation doesn't happen anymore. So do until true and then stop, or do something else. So now I'm going to do something that's hardwire. I'm hardwiring in something true. Oops. All right, now I'm going to show you with your version. So I'm going to show you how to cancel a while loop or something that you got stuck and you need to know. So while, let's draw our attention to, so I'm hardwiring this true. So there's no way to change this. Print hi in our situation. So I want you to look at this. So I press enter, Python is sitting here going, do you have anything else? No. So I'm on line 5 right now. So I want to draw your attention to that. 5, come up here to shell. Oops, yeah, shell, restart shell. I was on line 5, right? That ran, in those few moments, that ran 300 times. All right, so let's come over here to mine. Print. I close this out. Run. Boom, I'm running, continuously running. And I stop. And I interrupted with the keyboard. So I kind of cheated. So, but that's your first foray into this. So now let's do some stuff where we're checking. So I'm assigning 1 to x. So while x is less than 10, so now I hardwired, this is our first condition. This is our first comprehension of what a condition is. I'm saying do this while true. This is only when we're dealing with conditions. These only happen while this is true. That's it. Now there's a way to handle not true, but you still make it true. And we'll see that very soon. So do this until it's not true anymore. So all right, so we learned last video how to increment. So I'm going to increment by 1. Print x. So now, all right, this is going to happen until this stops being true. So let's run this. Very cool. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So once this became false, this stopped. Now, I want to show you this right here. We're going to mess with order of operation. So we have while x less than 10, print x, close this out, then increment. So I tweak this just a little, just this little order of operations. And this is a little hint in here that I'm not talking about. We'll delve more into this. So I run this. It stops at 10. Now if I call x is 10. So I want to talk about this. Order of operations. So I'm printing x, then I'm adding 1. So then it got up here, failed because this was 10. Then it spit out, and there was no more program here, so it just ceased. But then when I called x one more time, it still added this because it's in the body of the instruction. So it printed it the first time. Unlike where I had these in reverse, I got 10 to come out. But these are the building blocks of control of what happens, flow, and order of operations, and conditional statements. So there we go, guys. See you next video.